said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the light.
Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and as you see, I am up messing with this ugly kitchen window. Let me see if I can get y'all to see right. Now guys, we have a shade up to this window, okay? And I don't like the shade, shades, wear and tear and things like that. And I want my window to be original, but, my neighbors can see inside of my house. So I really can't like open the shade up for light and stuff like that. And you don't really have a lot of privacy. So what I decided to do was go to Walmart, and I got this like glass cut shade stuff. Can you see it? It's thick shade, and it's like a window film. So now guys, when I want to, no one can see in, and I can still get the light that I want. Which is a good thing, because now I can decorate my ledge on this window. I can put flowers up here and stuff like that and let my flowers get sun. So that's just the first part of me decorating. This is the first part of me, decorating the window. So I'm going to be making other videos on how I'm going to decorate this window, because like I said, I really don't want that shade up there. I don't. I want my window to be original, creative. Y'all gotta look out for that video. So yesterday, we solved that problem. And guys, let me tell you, I have this window film around my whole house. It's good for security too. Let me show you some other places. If you have a door that has glass in it, all of this is window film, and that keeps people from being able to see in your home, but still sunlight to be able to come through. I know the light is bright, guys, but if you have a beautiful decorative front door, then, people just can't walk up and just look through your house whenever they want to. All right, guys. Well, the way that the front room looks right now, I just received a package in the mail, and the front room is going to change dramatically different. It's going to look different, guys, because I ordered some things to brighten it up even more. So, and I did change some things around. So guys, like I said today, I was just basically putting things in place that I got from Ross, Home Good, and Walmart. And I'm telling you guys, you have to go check out those sales. But while we're waiting, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and thumbs up this video, guys, because you know what? You guys are awesome. You are the reason why my channel is growing, and I want you to know that I appreciate you guys so much. So I am trying to get a staycation environment going in my home, and that's why I am changing things out to my liking, and it is coming along just great, guys. So guys, I've been up decorating my house and everything. Well, for a couple of days I've been decorating things like that, and things are coming along. I really like some of the choices that I have made, and I've been taking stuff out of the room. One of the things that I bought yesterday, I bought this. I bought this beautiful long, I guess you could say box, and I bought the greenery to go inside of it. And the only reason why I bought that is because I bought this beautiful, like 2 weeks ago, I bought this beautiful centerpiece for my, front room table. Now guys, sometimes you got to step out of the box. Sometimes you got to step out of the box and do something that's, odd. And this is something that I wouldn't have tried before, something big like that. But I stepped out of the box. I love it. And then I ended up going to get 2 things to make it symmetry to that. Okay? So I ended up getting 2 things to make it symmetry to that. So I'm still trying to see if I want to make it taller, more scale-like. I'm still looking at the stuff that I bought to see if, I want to keep it looking like that. See, I like it crunched up more and lift up for height. So I'm going to have to go get some tape and stick it in place to where I want it to be, because I do like the height of that. Guys, I went and bought this yesterday at Walmart. It was on sale, believe it or not, for $14. And this is a shade, a brown shade, and it's 35 by 72. I bought this for my kitchen window, but I don't like the color of it. It doesn't match anything in my kitchen, so I will be taking this back. I know that for a fact. The window film worked out perfect. I have that basically on every window in my home, in the bathroom, in my dressing room, because I love the fact that it let light in, and but you still have your privacy. I love that. I have it in my bedroom, my son's room. Yeah. So guys, like I said, I have been going around buying different things for my home, finding sales like no other place. Okay, I've been going out to Ross, Home Goods, Walmart, At Home, and some of the things that they have, that the sale is like awesome. So everything is coming along good. I'm steady moving things out, getting my eye used to what you know, how I want everything to be. As y'all know, I did the video on the throws. As you see, I have my throws on here, and I have a beautiful table runner. Guys, here is a table runner, okay? But like I said, I can use this table runner in more places than just, you know, throwing it in a basket. As you see, guys, I could put this table runner on my table, and that would be pretty right there. Because you know, I like to buy things that I can use in more than one place. I could put this runner on my couch. Or I could put this runner on my bed. All right, guys, I can use that runner anywhere. I can put it in a basket, put it on my front room table, my basement table, put it on the couch. I can put it on the bed. I can put it on a cornice window valance. So it's a lot of places I can use that table runner for. And that's why I like to buy things that can go in every room with multiple uses. When you start doing that, guys, your decorating is going to become more simple. And when you feel like it, you don't have to labor to, you know, switch your rooms out. So, guys, I just thought I would come and show you my window. I am so excited for the ideas that I have for my kitchen window that it is ridiculous. But you're going to have to be looking out for that video to see what I ultimately come up with. But I need to get rid of that shade. I did not like that shade up there. All right, guys, well, that is it. You guys are awesome. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing. So please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Anything that I did not address in this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Because, guys, I love your comments, and I will answer you back. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Come on back and visit me, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but